Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to send automated holy wishes on WhatsApp. If you're tired of sending holy wishes to all of your customers on the day of Holi manually, then this automation is for you. With the help of automation, if you're going to add the details of your customers in your Google Sheets, automatically on the day of Holi, a WhatsApp message of the wishes will be forwarded to all those customers whose details you have added in your Google Sheets. For that, you need to create an automation between all of these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you want to learn how to do this automation, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated holy wishes to all of your customers on WhatsApp. So my objective is that I have added the data of my customers in my Google Sheets. And I want to send holy wishes to all of these customers on WhatsApp at once on the day of Holi. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account right over here. After that, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 functions of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then you can see the Pabbly Connect's dashboard. To start an automation process, we need to create a workflow. For that, we are going to click on the top right corner button that is right over here that says Create Workflow. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you. And it is asking for a workflow name. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow as Send Automated Holy Wishes on WhatsApp. And it is asking for us to select a folder next. On the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, you have to click on this drop down button right over here. You can see these are the folders that I've created in my Pabbly Connect account. I want to save this workflow in WhatsApp Automations folder, so I'm going to select my folder as WhatsApp Automations. If you want to create your own folder, you have to click on this plus button right over here. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, we are going to click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send Automated Holy Wishes on WhatsApp, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One says Trigger, another says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process because the process depends on these 2 steps over here. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step and multiple action steps because action is going to follow the command whichever trigger is going to send. Now we are going to set up our trigger step first. For that, we have to click on this arrow right over here. It is asking for us to choose our trigger application. We are going to select our trigger application as schedule because we want to send the messages to all of our customers on the date of Holi. So that's why we're going to select our trigger application as schedule. This is an amazing feature by Pabbly. After that, you can see it is asking how often do you want to run your workflow. As I just want to send the message once on the date of Holi, for that I'm going to select it as once, that is right over here. Then it is asking for the date and time, on which date and on which time we are going to send the message. For that, we are going to select the date and time. As the date of the Holi is 25th March, so I'm going to select my date as 25th March 2024, and the time will be at 10 AM. So I'm going to select it as 10 AM. As I want to send the message on 25th March at 10 AM. After selecting the date and the time, we're going to click on Save. And as you can see right over here, the response is received, and this is a positive response. That means this workflow is going to work on 25th March at 10 AM. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. As we have the data of our customers in our Google Sheets, so now our action application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select it as Google Sheets. So this is Google Sheets, I'm going to select it. After that, our action event is going to be Get Rows, as we want to get the data of this rows that we have mentioned in our Google Sheets right over here. So our action event is going to be Get Rows. After that, we're going to click on Connect in order to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. A new window is going to then appear in front of you, on which you have to click on Add New Connection. But if you have an existing connection, you can choose this option. After that, we're going to click on Sign In with Google. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you which is asking for access. I'm going to click on Allow as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. As you can see, we have successfully authorized Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking for us to select a spreadsheet. So I have created a spreadsheet in the name of customers data, as I have the data of my customers in this spreadsheet. So for the spreadsheet, I'm going to select it as customers data. Then it is asking for us to select a sheet. As you can see in my spreadsheet, I've only created a single sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'm going to go back, and for the sheet, I'm going to select it as sheet 1. Then it is asking for the range. Over here, we have got the example of how we are going to set up the range. If I'm going to take you back to my spreadsheet, the data starts from A2 column, that is right over here, and it ends at B20. But we don't know that how much data we are going to enter more in this spreadsheet. So what we are going to do is, over here in the range, I'm going to write it as A2 colon, and as for the ending data, we don't have this fixed range. For that, what we are going to write over here is B. After that, we are going to click on save and send test request. As you can see, we have received the data, but the data is in a simple form. So we are going to click on this bracket right over here to make this response into an advanced format. So I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as you can see, we have received a response in an advanced format. If I'm going to drag this window down, you can see these were the data that was mentioned in our Google Sheets. So we have set up this action step, but as you can see right over here, the response is not in a proper format. So what we are going to do is we are going to add another action step, and our action application is going to be iterator, and our action event is going to be process arrays. Then we're going to click on connect. We are setting up iterator by Pabbly because we want to capture the data of the previous step in a proper format. So right over here, as in the choose array, we are going to select it as Google Sheets response that we have received. After that, I'm going to click on save and send test request, as I want the proper value of the previous response. So I'm going to click on save and send test request. As you can see, we have received the response in a proper format that is mentioned right over here. If we are going to match the data right over here with the data in our Google Sheets, if I'm going to show you, the name is dummy user 123 with the dummy mobile number. Over here, the name is dummy user 123 with the dummy mobile number. So now we have received the data in a proper value. So now what we want is we want to send a WhatsApp message with the help of the template that we have created out of WhatsApp Cloud API. So now we are going to add another action step right over here. And our action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API. And our action event is going to be send template message. We have selected our action event as send template message because with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API right over here, as you can see, I've created a template that is right over here. And I want to send this template as a message to all of my customers whose data is added in my Google Sheet at once on Holi. So over here, I've selected my action event as send template message. After that, I'm going to click on connect in order to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Then a new window is going to appear in front of you on which we have to click on add new connection. Then you can see it is asking for all these details like token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Where are we going to get all these information from? For that, we have to click on learn more right over here. Then you are going to be forwarded to a new tab and this page will be directed to you. Over here, if you're going to scroll down, you can see it says how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. If you're going to watch this video right over here, you will be able to learn how we are going to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. And with the help of this setup, we are going to get all these details that is right over here. As I've already set up an API setup in my Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to open the API setup. As you can see, this is the API setup right over here. And it has all the details that Pabbly Connect is asking for, that is token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Over here, you can see it says temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So we are going to copy this data from here. We're going to paste the data right over here. So firstly, for the token, I'm going to copy the data from here and I'm going to paste the token data right over here. After that, it is asking for the phone number ID. I'm going to copy the data from the phone number ID right over here and I'm going to paste it right over here. After that, for the business account ID, over here you can see it is provided business account ID. I'm going to copy this data from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on save. As you can see, that is fully authorized WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. It is asking for the template name first. As you can see that I have created a template with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API in the name of Holi Wishes template. So I'm going to go back and for the template name, I'm going to select it as Holi Wishes template. Then it is asking for the language code and the selected template ID. As soon as you select the template name, automatically the language code and the selected template ID will be selected right over here. So you do not need to do anything with these steps. After that, it is asking for the recipient mobile number. What we are going to do is now we are going to map the data as the data of the recipient mobile number is provided in our previous step, that is iterator by Pabbly. So what we are going to do is we are going to map the data
Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from a previous step, that is right over here. As you can see, these were the previous steps of our automation process, and the data of the recipient mobile number is mentioned right over here. So we're going to map the data of the mobile number, that is right over here. As I map the data right over here, the data has become dynamic. That means every time a new response will be captured in our trigger step, automatically the data right over here will be updated according to the new response. After that, it is asking for the body field 1. As in the template that I've created over here, you can see I've added a variable that is right over here. I want that whenever a new response is added in my Google Sheet, or the response that is added in my Google Sheet, in the place of this variable, I want the name of my customer, that is right over here. For that, what we are going to do is we're going to map the data for the body field 1 as a name of the customer. As we have received the name of a customer in a previous step, we are going to map the data from a previous step, that is right over here. You can see this is the name of a customer. We are going to map the data. As I've mapped the data right over here, the data has become dynamic. That means every time a new response will be captured in our previous step, automatically the data right over here will be updated. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on save and send test request. But before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this dummy mobile number with my mobile number, so that I will receive the WhatsApp message on my mobile number, as this is a dummy mobile number right over here. So I'm going to change this dummy mobile number to my WhatsApp number. So as I've changed the dummy mobile number to my WhatsApp number, so now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as you can see right over here, we have received a response, and over here it says accepted. That means a WhatsApp message is forwarded on my mobile number, as I've entered in the place of recipient mobile number my WhatsApp number. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp account. And yes, as you can see over here, we have received a WhatsApp message which says, "Dear dummy user 123, happy Holi. May the vibrant colors of Holi fill your life with joy, success and prosperity. Wishing you and your loved ones a colorful and blessed Holi. Warm regards, ABC Company." So this was the template that I've created with WhatsApp Cloud API, and it is forwarded to my WhatsApp number as a WhatsApp message with the detail of my customer, that is right over here. So this means that we successfully created an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. This means that you successfully created an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. On the day of Holi, as we have scheduled the timing and the date to all the customers whose data is going to be added into this Google Sheet, a WhatsApp message with the help of the template that we have created in WhatsApp Cloud API is going to be forwarded to all of your customers automatically at once. For that, we have created an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, in which we have scheduled the date of Holi, and from the Google Sheets, we have extracted the data of the customers who you have added in your Google Sheets. And with the help of Iterator by Pabbly, we have extracted the value of the data that was present in our Google Sheets. And with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, we are going to send a message template to all of your customers as a wish on the date of Holi. So this is how we create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video.
So not just with these applications, you can automate more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any questions regarding the Pabbly Connect pricing, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.